Hey everyone, I'm Sachin, a tech enthusiast who loves sharing simple practical tools to build awesome apps, especially for those who are just starting out or don't know how to code much. So on this channel, I'll be sharing a bit-sized tech tutorials, smart tools like Firebase Studio, and even AI-powered ways to build apps without getting confused by the code. So in today's video, I'm kicking things off by showing you a tool that's perfect if you are ever thought, have an idea, but I don't know how to code it. So say hello to Firebase Studio, where AI helps you turn your app ideas into reality fast. I'll show you how to build smarter and faster using Firebase Studio and other tools that are perfect for beginners or non-coders. So let's begin. So what is Firebase? So Firebase is a platform created by Google that helps you build apps quickly by handling the heavy lifting in the backend. So what do you mean by heavy lifting in the backend? So things like managing servers, user login systems, and storing data. All of that is already built into Firebase Studio. You don't need to worry about writing complex code, or let's imagine backend code, or you need to set up servers. So Firebase Studio takes care all of that, and you can just focus on building your application. It's especially helpful if you're just a beginner or a student or a person who is short on time because you can develop application with just prompts. So who can the Firebase Studio be very beneficial? If you are a beginner or a non-coder, this is perfect for you. You don't need to write any kind of codes. You can just develop an application using the prompts, and if you have an app's logic, you can just simple develop an application with 1 or 2 days. And second of all, if you are a busy developer who is working on different projects or many projects, so Firebase Studio is a platform where you can develop multiple projects in a short period of time. So this is a platform for you. And also, if you the main part is if you're a solo founder or a student working on a project like me, or are you participating in a hackathon, you want to develop some certain application, this is for you. You can go from an idea to launch super fast. Basically, if you want to build smart apps quickly without getting stuck in backend setup, this is for you. So now let's talk about what you can actually build using Firebase Studio. And trust me, it's a lot more than you might think. So like login system, databases. Let's imagine you're developing a game. It can you need to save scores or player data. Firestore lets you store and sync it. Dashboards, whether it's tracking user stats or showing game history, you can visualize all of that live. And also chat apps, imagine adding a real-time chat to your app. Firebase handles it very smoothly, and AI assistance. So yeah, whether it's a small game or a full-fledged app, Firebase Studio gives the tool to build smarter, powerful feature with very little code. uh, so let me give you a super relatable example. I built this XOX game. Yep, the classic tic-tac-toe game using Firebase Studio. I didn't write a full backend or a single line of code or create APIs manually. Instead, I used Firebase tools to store game moves in Firestore, show live updates to both players in real time, even set up basic game rules and logic using AI prompts inside the Firebase Studio. So it's super fast, serverless, and I had a working version in no time. So, how can you get started with Firebase Studio? First, head over to the Firebase Studio in Google. Once you're in, create a project, or you can just write the prompts there, as you see in the image. An app that helps you make me plan day. That's an prompt place. You can add your prompts, and you do not write the backend code or worry about the complex setup. Just describe what you want, like as seen in the example, make a two-player XOX game that saves moves in real time and uses AI assistant to play the game against the AI. So Firebase will automatically generate the logic, and you can also preview it instantly. And if you are a coder, you can edit the code. It also allows you to edit the code. So it's perfect for you, the people with the limited time, or those just starting with the app dev. So why does this matter for a student or a beginner? So first, Firebase Studio lets you learn by building. You're not just watching tutorials, you're creating real stuff. And that's the fastest way anyone can learn. And second of all, the AI supports means you can move quicker rather than stuck in coding. So it writes the backend, connects things, and explains what's happening too. So you can save time and focus on creativity. So it's a life saver for college projects, hackathons, and or personal ideas. Instead of spending days on learning how to set up a database or how to code, so you can develop any kind of application right away. And that's the power of building smart with Firebase Studio. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, follow me for more beginner-friendly dev content, especially around Firebase Studio and building smart apps with AI. I am on YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram. Feel free to reach out and share what you're building. And don't miss out the next video. I'll be showing you how to build that tic-tac-toe game with the Firebase Studio. See you there.